These are the only penny stocks that I'm watching going into Monday, and you better watch this video all the way to the end or you are going to regret it. So with no further ado, guys, let's jump straight in. Ticker's going to be up here in the top left-hand corner, top gainers list. We got this filtered by the after hours, and we got MKDW as the top leading gainer from the after hours on Friday. It was up over 61%. We can see that the price closed right here at 26 cents. Market cap is below 50 million. Free float is below 50 million. So for all of you that have been watching the channel for a while, the only thing I'm looking at now is taking a look at the address of the company. And unfortunately, this stock is from Taiwan. I will not be trading MKDW, so we can scratch this one off the list. That's just unacceptable. If you guys don't know, for the past 12 months, I've tracked over 2,762 breakouts. And if you want to decrease your win rate, all you got to do is filter by the country, go to country, and then go to other. And if I filter by that, you'll see the win rate, which it drops drastically. By the way, if you guys want to be a one-on-one student, you guys want access to my dashboard, what I've been able to do through all of these different variables, time of day, market cap, free float, does the next 1 minute candle close green on the breakout, day of the week, what country the stock is from, how far the 5 minute candle closes above the breakout level. All these different variables matter, including volume on the breakout. If you guys want to know which variables matter the most, I have over 6 setups that have over 70% win rate. So if you guys have over $5,000 in your portfolio, you want to level the fuck up in 2026, all you got to do is book a one-on-one call with me, and I'll just be honest with you and see if you're a good fit for my system. You guys got to be available at least 2 to 3 times per week between 7 to 11 a.m. If you are brand new and you don't know my strategy, my setup, what I've been up to, send me the word free training over on IG at Andrew Shane Jordan, or go follow me on Facebook and send me a message there with the word free training, and I'll send you guys some free resources over. Let's jump back into the watch list over here. And now we know for a fact we're not going to be trading MKDW. Take that one off the list. All right. GHRS is going to be next on the list. Market cap right here is 821 million, guys. So if I just go back over to my tracker here and I go over to market cap, and that's going to be in between 500 million to a billion. I click only. Look at that win rate for over 15%. I've tracked 117 of these breakouts. Typically, they don't break out. And out of the 117, only 31 broke out for more than 15%. So if you're going to go for anything, you should probably go for like 5% right here, which is a 70% win rate. But even then, with a 15% stop loss, that win rate isn't high enough for it to be profitable. So I just don't trade those. Like there's going to be better opportunities in the market. So now we're going to mark that one out. We're going to mark that one out. Now we're over on KZIA. Market cap is at 53 million. Free float is at 10 million. That market cap is a little bit higher than I want it to be. Maybe I would trade it if it was from the United States, but it's not from the United States. This is another one that's from Taiwan. I don't know what it is about all these other countries. They just love to pump it up on us. All right. These are way more likely to pump it up. The win rate is not high enough. I am not trading any stock from outside of the United States, China, and Canada. And honestly, I've only been trading stocks from the United States. So unfortunately, guys, we're 0 for 3. MKDW is a no-go. That one's a no-go. That one's a no-go. Mark those out. Mark that one out. Mark that one out. Now we got IVP. Market cap is at 1.8 million. Free float is at 38 million. Let's take a look at where this company is from. Profile. Oh, my God. No. Oh, I'm still on MKDW. All right. Let me click on IVP. Go to profile. United States. All right. Was I still on? Let me see. KZIA. Oh, I was tripping. Sorry, guys. KZIA is actually from Australia. Which either way, it's not from Taiwan. I was still on MKDW. But I'm not trading a stock from Australia neither. Again, Australians, the Aussies have dumped on me multiple times, so I'm not going to be trading that one. IVP, this one is from the United States, as we can see right here. So IVP, market cap is good. Free float, I wish this free float was a little bit lower. However, it's priced very low at 5 cents. Let's take a look at the price action here. Chart had a very strong close. Going into the after hours. So probably what's going to happen in pre-market is probably going to pop even more. And then for this one, guys, the game plan is if this one was the breakout between the hours of 7 to 11 a.m. EST, you're going to have the highest win rate possible. All right. If you guys don't know my green light special breakout, again, make sure you go send me the word free training on IG or on Facebook. I'll send it over to you. Or if you guys just want me to break it down for you on a call, you can schedule that right there. But only taking one-on-one students that have more than $5,000 in their portfolio. So IVP, this was probably going to get a pop. I'm probably going to guess at 4 a.m. as soon as market opens. And then after that, it's probably going to pull back. And then going into 7 to 11 a.m., if it re-breaks, I'm going to have a breakout level with an alert set. If it re-breaks as a green light special, then I will take IVP. So I do want to keep that one on watch. I'll be at the computer at around 6 a.m. EST. Let's go down even further. LSAK, market cap right here is way too high. I'm not going to trade that. CDTG, market cap is really good. Free float is really good. Price below $1. Let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look at the chart. CDTG. Yeah. All right, there's nothing to look at. All right, so CDTG is on there for no reason. If you take a look at the volume, you can see it was like 6,000 shares traded right there. I guess on this little candle right here that popped it up 13%. But yeah, I'm not trading anything like that. Guys, you want to make sure you're trading stocks with volume. You don't want to be the volume. I did create this customized dollar volume indicator right here that my one-on-one students get access to, which is pretty nice. So like, for example, CDTG, if I just hover, like $5 traded on that stock right there, $1.48 traded right there, like very illiquid stock. For example, if I go to MKDW, I can see right here all the way at the bottom, you can see the dollar volume. It's $410,000 traded on that 5-minute candle. Big difference here. The lower that we go on this top gainers list, the more, illiquid these stocks are going to be. Like GN, LN, $2,000 went through this 5-minute candle. So you may see a candle like this and say, oh, this is a nice move right here. We got a little pop, right? This is going to be my breakout level. We got the pullback. But, I got the dollar volume right here. So I can easily see like, no, that was only $2,000 that went through that. I'm not trading that. NTCL. Let's take a look at this little pop. Again, only $8,000 flowed through it. That doesn't make any sense. NTZ, no volume. ALCY, not much volume. GPUS. This was a little bit better. Okay, look, 1.79 million. GPUS. GPUS market cap is too high. Free float is way too high, 322 million. So if I could just take it into my dashboard, and again, I trade with data. I don't trade with intuition. If we reset this and we go to free float and we go 200 to 500 million, I'll take a look at that win rate. Win rate for 15% is only 27%. I don't know why you would take that. Boy, I'll be giving y'all free value over here on YouTube. Comment down below. Leave me a like if you guys enjoy this. I mean, I tracked over 2,700 breakouts over the past 12 months. Blood, sweat, and tears put into that. I give it to you guys for completely free. I don't give it all away for free. So if you want the one-on-one training where I show you all of my other setups, you can do that as well. But honestly, guys, I think the biggest watch for me going into Monday is going to be IVP. Keep this one on watch. If that one breaks out between 7 to 11 a.m., I would definitely probably take that breakout. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.